The RadICS digital instrumentation and control platform is a superior, field-proven product based on 25 years of real-world design, production, operation, and maintenance experience. The RadICS technology consists of robust and flexible general-purpose building blocks that can be configured and used to implement project-specific functions and systems. The system size and architecture are flexible and scalable to fit the system architectures used in operating and new-built nuclear plant safety systems. The RadICS platform components are designed to the latest IEC standards for safety-critical service in the highest classified nuclear systems. The Radics I&C platform was certified as SIL 3, capable to the requirements of ISC 61508. The Radics I&C technology was approved by the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission in 2019 for use in safety systems. The equipment is fully qualified to NRC requirements for use in U.S. safety-related applications. The RadICS platform uses modern field-programmable gate array technology and design that is fully made in-house and easily updated to address obsolescence. High quality is built in from day one through rigorous design, manufacturing, verification, and testing capabilities and processes. The RadICS platform incorporates a unique diversity strategy that addresses common cause failure vulnerabilities and does not require a separate diverse actuation system. It simplifies solutions, reduces project costs and schedules, and optimizes system maintenance requirements. The RadICS platform has extensive self-diagnostic features that can be used to streamline required surveillance activities and reduce burdens on plant personnel, allowing them to focus on other mission-critical activities, while also providing a multitude of economic benefits. Now and in the future, cybersecurity controls play a key role in ensuring secure operation digital safety I&C. The RadICS FPGA technology has fewer security vulnerabilities than conventional microprocessor-based systems. It meets US and international regulatory guidance for cybersecurity. It was developed in a secure environment and provides a secure, operational environment. The RadICS technology is superior to other platforms in its use of field-programmable gate array technology, innovative strategy of internal diversity, and extensive self-diagnostic features. 25 years of successful global applications demonstrate that the RadICS platform is the right choice for zero-risk return on investment and is a sustainable solution to increase I&C reliability, safety, and to reduce operational and maintenance costs.